Hello, you're welcome to Exam Scholars channel. If you're just joining us, please like, subscribe, and drop your comments after the video. In today's class, we shall be talking about the diphthong sounds in English language. Learning objective. By the end of the lesson, the student should be able to identify the diphthong sounds in spoken and written words correctly, pronounce the common diphthong sounds accurately in isolation and with words, and use diphthong words correctly in simple sentences. There are 8 diphthong sounds in English language, which are a, I, oi, o, ow, ear, ear. Here is the position of the diphthong sounds in our tongue. We see the rounded diphthongs, the unrounded, and the no audio sample. The diphthongs are positioned in our tongue the way they appear. We see the sounds. The first sounds, the ear, the ear and the a sound and the r sounds are the front diphthongs sounds, while the o and the ow sounds seems to be at the middle, and the u and oi sounds tends to be behind the tongue. A diphthong sound. What is a diphthong sound? A diphthong sound is a vowel sound that glides from one vowel's position to another within the same syllable. Example, we see in time, a, e, I. The sound moves from the a to the e, and that applies to the rest of the diphthong sound, which we shall be looking in the next slide. Now, the sounds are spelled or appears in different form in different ways in words. Sometimes these words are pronounced and they have phonograms that are quite different from the way they appear, the way the sound appear. What is phonogram? Phonogram is a combination of two or more sounds, the combination of two or more letters to form a sound. We can say two or more letters or two or more graphemes. Now we see the a sound can be spelled as can be spelled as ai, as in rain. It can appear when it's splitted, it can appear like a and hyphen e when it's splitted in some words like cake, like face, like name. Can appear like ai, like rain, train, paint. Can appear like ay, like day, play, say, stay. Can appear like ea, like break, great. It can appear like ey, like day, great, obey. It can appear like ei, vain, eight, wait. It can appear like a single a, paper, apron. All right. So we look at the second sound. In our I, this sound is pronounced as I. Pronounce after me. I, as in time, light, and cry. We can see it when it's splitted. Can appear as time, can appear as bike, it can appear as fine, white, smile. It can be spelled like IGH in light, in night, in height, in night, in bright. It can sometimes, usually, it can end the word and can appear like Y, as in cry, fly, try, my, shy. It can appear like IE in pie, in tie, in die, in tie, in lie. It can appear in E like I sound, in tiger, pilot, silent, final. Then we can see it in UY, in by, guy. Then, rarely we can see it in YE, in die, and I. So we want to see the common spelling for ow. We call this ow, 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 ow. As in house. When it's spelled OU, we have words like house, cloud, mouth, sound, and ground. When it's spelled like OW, it can be spelled like OW, as in now, how, cow, town, brown. It can be spelled as BOUGH, as OUGH in brow, draw, plow. This sound is O. Now this is a schwa sound. I'll repeat again. This is a schwa sound. There's a combination of the schwa sound and the U sound. So it's going to be U, U. So it is O, as in go, home, boat. Okay, so it can appear when it's splitted between the A and the E as home, hope, note, rope, close. Okay, when it's spelled EA, it can appear like OA. It can be spelled like OA in words like boat, road, coat, soap, goat. It can be spelled as letter O in go, no, so, open, moment. Beautiful moment. Now it can also be spelled like OW in slow, in grow, in no, in slow, in true. It can also appear in OE in toe, ho. It can irregularly, sometimes it can appear like OUGH in though and although. We can see this sound as well. Ear. This is ear. It is pronounced as E and R sound. Ear. As in ear, fear, hear. When it can be spelled as E A, and we can see it in words like ear, here, near, clear. It can be spelled as EER in dear, in cheer, in steer, in career. It can be spelled as ERE in here, mere, severe. All right, sincere, ear. It can be spelled as IER, as in fears, peers, peer. All right, tear. All right, it can be spelled like IR in spirits, miracle, serious. All right, in words like EA, rarely, sometimes appears like this: idea, real, theater. All right, so that is that. We have this sound, the air, air. So it is air. All right, it is air. It can appear in AIR as in air, fair, chair, pair, stare. It can appear as ARE in care, share, dare, bear, scare. In EAR as in bear, wear, tear, the noun of tear, the noun form, okay, not the verb. The verb will be tear, but the noun will be tear. We can see there is similarity between the ER and the RR, so you have to be very careful when you are pronouncing and when you see the sound. All right, and we have the pair, the swear. We have the there and the were. We have the there and the her. All right, these are air sounds. These are words with air sounds. So we have the oo, 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 as in okay, as in pure, cure, sure, secure. All right, tourist, deter, and we have per, more. All right, and during and jury. All right, these are words with the sound Okay, we can say that we need to learn these diphthong sounds because they are very, very crucial in our pronunciations, and as well they determines the place where the stress lies in the word. Like I said in the video in the lesson, the video that talks about stressing words, we discovered that I said, if you can still remember, and if you have not watched it, you have to go watch it. I said short sound usually determines the shift of the prominence of the stress syllable. So we need to study the sounds to enable us understand and identify the schwa sound and how they are pronounced. And our diphthongs is also very important because it will help us to identify the combinations of these sounds. Okay, because diphthong sound is quite different from the single vowel sound, the way they appear. For example, like our ear and our sound, like our ear and our o sound, you discover that you don't have the single representation of such sounds in our vowel sound, and that is why we need to study the diphthong sound very, 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 very well. All right, as it will help us to understand our stress, okay, and the stress syllables. All right, in a word. Now I want to evaluate us on this question. Please, after watching the video, you need to attempt this on your own. I will just mute myself while you watch the words, and you should be able to attempt the correct answer from the options. All right, so please try as much as possible to watch the video to the end to help you know where the correct options lies. And we have come to the end of the lesson. I hope you have I hope you have taken note of the diphthong sounds, and I hope you have been able to attend the activities. So thanks for watching, and God bless you.